Are you dealing with knee pain and instability from an ACL injury? Well, there may be some non-surgical options. Hi, I am Dr. Sebastian.
My name is Floyd. I'm the PA working here at Integrative Rehab Medicine.
Today we're going to talk about ACL injuries, or anterior cruciate ligament injuries. We're going to talk about what they are, how to diagnose them, what are the symptoms, and best of all, how to treat them without surgery. So Floyd, what is an ACL injury?
So here we have a model of the knee. So your ACL is going to be this ligament that is inside, and what it does is it helps to connect the bottom bone to the top bone in your leg. And so a lot of times, especially athletes, when they're doing some type of a motion where they're running forward and stopping suddenly, or if they're doing some type of a cutting motion, you can damage that ligament and it can produce some instability in the knee.
So an ACL tear can cause a lot of chronic knee pain, swelling, feeling of instability, feeling of the knee giving out, or sometimes even locking up. So how do we diagnose an ACL injury?
So we're going to do a physical exam. There's a classic test, it's called the anterior drawer test. So you move it back and forth and you see how much the bone actually moves. And then most commonly we're going to do an MRI. MRI is going to show those deeper structures. X-rays are not going to really show a whole lot.
There are many treatments for ACL injuries. Commonly, steroid injections are used where the surgeon puts in an injection of steroid into the joint, and this can decrease the inflammation, but it has a lot of side effects. It can actually damage the joint, it can create more instability and weakness. But there are better treatments. There are better non-surgical treatments like regenerative medicine treatments such as PRP, prolotherapy, or stem cells that have been shown to be very effective to stabilize knee and to actually help heal ACL injuries. So can we talk about these regenerative medicine treatments?
Yeah, so one option is prolotherapy. Prolotherapy are injections with dextrose. Prolotherapy are for people with very minimal instability and not really significant damage or tearing. Whenever there is some tearing present, if it's very minor tearing, you can use PRP. PRP is platelet-rich plasma, so we can use an X-ray and we can actually inject directly into that ACL, into that ligament there, and you can put some contrast dye, confirm that you're in the place, and then you can inject the PRP in there. If there's more significant tearing, then we use stem cells, use bone marrow stem cells, so you can take the cells from the pelvis and you can process them in our lab and we can use that to inject directly in there. And this is all for people who the tendon has not completely ruptured. If the tendon is completely ruptured, then surgery is the only thing that's going to fix that. But there are a lot of people that have ACL tears that have not fully ruptured, where these regenerative medicine options can be really, really helpful.
So these treatments such as PRP or stem cells can be used for either chronic ACL tears or even acute ACL tears, as long as they're not completely ruptured. As Floyd said, for partial tears or minor tears, we can potentially heal this ligament and eliminate the need for surgery. So if you want to find out more how to treat your ACL tear without surgery, click the link below, visit our website, and give our clinic a call.